Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. I have the big mold out today, and I have put in 4 ounces of resin into the middle of my mold here. Traced out bubbles for the most part. I'm sure there are some that are lurking, but I've done the best that I can. I see one down there. Come up off the mold. I even tapped it. Anyway, I did decant 30 grams or 1 ounce of my resin off to the side here. I'm gonna do a bloom. So I'm gonna put 3 drops of bloom paste in here. Mix it up. 1, 2. Come on. 3. Okay, mix it up. And I thought that I would try and do another one of those swizzle twizzle stick things that I did before. So again, this is a technique that I saw Fahima of Zarrin Resin Art do, and then she went and did another one. How dare she? It was so pretty. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to try again. See if I can improve. So I'm gonna use a different tool. I think, well, last time I did them in smaller molds. So let me show you. These are the ones that I did before when I first tried it, and I was surprised that they even worked. But I used a little popsicle stick, and Michelle at Royal River Art said, why don't you try something like this, because it's easier to turn and flip over. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. And excuse me, it's a little bit smaller than the large popsicle stick, but I'll have more dexterity. And I think I can do it. We'll see. So I've got 3 different colored inks: violet, forget-me-not, and fuchsia. All of these are by Decor. And here we go. This is my twizzle thing. Might be too big, but I don't know. Well, let's give it a shot. And scoop. I'm hitting the bottom though. Okay, I think I need to make the loops bigger. Okay, let's get this one back up. See how that touched the ground. Touch the ground. You know what I mean. Okay, scoop up the ink. Twizzle it around. Twizzle it around. Oh, wipe it off. Shoot, I don't know. Okay, let's do this one. Scoop it up. Pull it over. Drag it through, scoop it up. Drag it over. Who knows what kind of mess I'm gonna get into here. I'm thinking a big one. Maybe not wipe off my stick so that I've got it on both sides. I'm touching the bottom though. This is so freaking hard. I'm back. This is cured. And I am going to use Beige Stone by Color Passion and also Just Resin in Pistachio. So I thought I'd combine the two to give it kind of a, I don't know, a something look. something. Let me add the green first. So I just mixed both of these up. Just gonna scrape that off. Mix that in there. I like the sparkle that this will give the resin from the Just Resin Pistachio, and give it kind of a bit of a green color for this piece. About 5 ounces of resin mixed up this time. Scrape that off. Grab some of this now. I just opened it, so. Looks like pea soup. I need something kind of toned down. to back this. It's unmolding time. Let's see how my pea soup color, split pea soup, works with this, and if the swizzle stick, twizzly swizzly thing even worked. All right, are we ready? Ooh. Oh, it did work. It did work. It's a little messy through the center, kind of, but I really like it. And actually, I'm pretty happy with this background. I don't know if you can see the shimmer in there or not. I'm probably getting a lot of glare on here, but in fact, I know I am. But there is shimmer in there, and I love that. It's perfect. For this piece, I usually like my centers really nice and neat, but I made this one messy on purpose. And overall, I'm really, really liking this. There's a little swizzle there. A little bit of a swizzle here. I'm not sure you can really see the twistiness in too many areas. So you know, it's something worth trying, but it's not easy. Very much not easy. But I like how this turned out regardless. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Would you attempt to try this? I'd love to know if it's something that you would like to do. And if you do, Acorn. Acorn has something to say. And if you do, make sure that you tag me so I can see it. And if you've made it this far, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to all. I will catch you on the next video. Thank you as always for being here. Bye for now.